Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am cutting my hair myself. The color was just for experimental purposes, so the hair got so damaged. I love that I did stretch my hair as far as I could take it to see how bad can things get, guys. It was literally falling off my scalp. The one side was like finished and the one side there was still hair and it was quite uneven. I love the experience. I love seeing what bleaching can do to your hair so that I can speak about it. So this video is just about me cutting my hair, washing my scalp, and showing you guys what it looks like after. It's a very short video, it's a fun video. I was in the mood to show you guys, and I'm learning something new, which is cutting my hair. This is the first time cutting my hair myself. So I hope you guys enjoy it. The battery did die, but luckily it comes with a charging cord. So I just pulled my extension cord right here. So I think I'm done for the first round. I'm just gonna wash my hair, my scalp rather, and then finish off whatever's not done. When I feel the scalp, you can sort of also feel where this nifty mirror also helps me see the back. Quality check. So I bought this on Takealot. It's about 450 Rand max. I'm going to search the price and put it in the description box. And I'll also just put the link of the exact one in the description box below. I didn't really have any prior experience before this. I literally just watched what my barber did. So my barber mostly faded. So what he did here is what I did on my own, my whole head, like what he was doing on my very sort of flat sides before the fade goes up into the hair. And I'm very happy with the result. My scalp was still a bit purple because I had purple dye So I don't mind that. I'm just gonna wash my scalp now. I'm gonna first pre-poo. So I'm gonna use avocado oil to pre-poo my scalp. I'm just using pure avocado oil. You can use any from any brand. Just gonna rub that. Then I'm going to shampoo, condition, and show you guys the outcome. I can still call my barber to come and fade and do all of that stuff that I can't do, but this is like a nice quick way to just sort yourself out at home. And guys, we can do whatever we want, you know, like it's insane, but we can. I'm using my microfiber towel to dry my scalp. This is from Natural Hair Company. I'll link it down below as well. It was an entire toolbox with other tools to like wash your scalp, properly wash your scalp, because a lot of people don't properly wash their scalp. Lock method. Very little product, guys. It was so lovely sharing that experience with you guys. Please join me on my next video. The next one will have the production team on it. This was just a very spur of the moment, do it myself, lovely moment that I wanted to share with my YouTube family. Guys, have a fantastic weekend further. Stay natural.